what grammar is. Class, what is grammar? What do you know about grammar? What do you know about grammar?
Grammar is the rules that tell you how to put words together when you speak.
Very good. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, grammar is the rules that tell you how to put words together when you speak or write. Most of the time at home, we use grammar but without realizing it. And when we come to school, that's when we will realize that most of our conversation or communication, we use grammar. We will try and make up a sentence using the words on the blackboard. And the words are jumbled. What we will do is we will unjumble the words to make up a correct sentence. I have the words on the blackboard here. They are mixed up. What we are going to do is you are going to look at the words and you try and make up a sentence from the words that are jumbled on the blackboard. What do you think the sentence is, and what will be the first word that we put on the blackboard? The others you watch. If it's correct, you say yes. Is the word correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, the word is Mara. Why do you think you chose this word Mara? What is important about this word? Kimoli?
Capital letter.
Okay, Mara has capital letter in it. Yes, it's true that every sentences it says that in the beginning of the sentence it must have a capital letter. That's why you chose Mara as the first word in the sentence. Anything else that you think will be the next word, or anything else that is not here that's supposed to be here? Is it correct, class?
Yes.
Why do you think that it is correct? Why do you say that apostrophe S should be here after Mara? Because something belongs to a person. It tells us that the word Maras tells us that something belongs to Mara. Yes, something belongs to Mara, and let's see, what is that thing? What will be the next word after Mara? Mara's head is red, big, and Himoli. Now we came up with a sentence here. Let's all see if the sentence makes sense. Okay, I will ask everyone in the class, let's read the sentence to see if it makes sense or if it's correct. Is it clear?
Mara's head is red, big and fluffy.
Okay, Mara's head is red, big and fluffy. If you see a comma here, you know that it tells you to pause a little. Now we have a correct sentence here that tells us that you already know grammar, and you know where to put the comma, full stop, and where the capital letter should be. This shows how much grammar you already know without even. On the blackboard we also have spelling words. Like spelling words is also another part of grammar. Okay, here we have only one word but different spellings. The first one, silly. Second, silly, silly, and silly. I want you to look at the spelling and you will tell me which spelling is correct. Which word has the correct spelling in it. Put your hands up if you think this is the correct spelling of silly. Hands up if you think this one is correct, has the correct spelling. No one?
Yes.
This one, the second one? Nobody or no one? The first one. Hands up if you think it has a correct spelling. No one? And this one. Oh, very good. This shows how you could recognize the correct spelling without being taught. Okay, we have already learned about punctuation, sentence structure, and spelling. And another big part of it is vocabulary. Now, we are going to look at the word big. Is there any other name that you can think of that is similar to the word big? And in your groups, I want you to think about any other word that is similar to this word big. Since you have already discussed some of the words that is similar to big, in your groups, I want you to raise your hands and say whatever word that you have come up with. And have Kesia.
Lots.
Lots. Yes, we have lots here. Any other word? Let's have Amy.
Giant.
Giant. Oatmeal.
Huge.
Huge. We have also huge. These are the words that you have come up with. These words here, they are similar to the word big. We have lots, giant, tallest, tall, enormous, enormous, huge. Do you have any favorite word on the list here? Kimberly, what's your favorite?
Giant.
Giant. So Kimberly's favorite word here is giant. Therefore, we can use giant. Here we have the sentence here. Mara's head is red, big and fluffy. We can also say Mara's head is red, giant and fluffy. Okay, so now we'll just finish with vocabulary. All this punctuation, spelling, vocabulary, sentence structure are all part of grammar.
Sometimes I feel like crying in my soul.